Bonk and the Big Splash, written by Maribeth Boltz, illustrated by Nora Vutis. Bonk is bragging. I know how to swim, he says. I swam across the ocean. I swam faster than dolphins. Good for you, says Jupe. You can help us at swimming lessons. Swimming lessons? Asks Bonk. Yes, says Jupe. They start today. Jupe, Lurk, and Snag get ready. They put on their swimsuits and swim trunks. They bring their towels and goggles. Are you ready, Bonk? Asks Snag. No, my swim trunks are too small, says Bonk. My towel is too big. My goggles are too big. I can't go to swimming lessons, says Bonk. But it won't be the same without you, says Snag. Snag trades swim trunks with Bonk. Lurk trades goggles with Bonk. Jupe trades towels with Bonk. Now you can go with us, says Jupe. At the pool, monsters dive and splash. Lurk, Jupe, and Snag meet their teacher. It is time to get in the water, says the teacher. The monsters jump in, but Bonk sits at the side of the pool. This water is too cold, says Bonk. It is too wet, says Bonk. I will just watch today. The monsters dive under the water. They blow bubbles. They kick their feet. The monsters have fun, but Bonk does not. After swimming lessons, Jupe sits by Bonk. Are you afraid of the water, Bonk? She asks. Bonk crosses his arms and stomps his feet. I am a good swimmer, he says. Jupe is quiet. Okay, I am not a good swimmer, says Bonk. I know how to swim a little bit, says Bonk. Jupe is still quiet. Bonk hangs his head. I don't know how to swim at all, says Bonk. Jupe pats Bonk's back. She rubs his head. Then we can all learn together, she says. The next day, Bonk is the first monster ready. He has a life jacket. He has water wings. He has a dinosaur float. I went swimming last night, he says. The pool was closed, says Jupe. Where did you swim? In my bathtub, says Bonk.
Good job.
Bonk and the Big Splash. Bonk is bragging. I know how to swim, he says. I swam across the ocean. I swam faster than dolphins. Good for you, said Jupe. You can help us at swimming lesson. Swimming lesson? Bonk asked Bonk. Yes, swimming. Yes, says Jip. They start today. Jip, Duke, and Snug get ready. They put on their swimsuits and swim trunks. They wear their towels and goggles. Are you ready, Bonk? asks Snug. No, my swim trunks are too small, says Bonk. My towel is too big. My goggles are too big. I can't go to swimming lesson, says Bonk. But it won't be the same with you, says Snug. Snug trades swim trunks with Bonk. Duke trades goggles with Bonk. Jip trades towels with Bonk. Now you can go with us, said Jip. At the pool, Monster Jam and Splash, Duke, Jip, and Snug meet the teacher. It is that to get in the water, says the teacher. The monster jump in, but Bonk sits at the side of the pool. This water is too cold, says Bonk. It is too wet, says Bonk. I will just watch today. The monster drove under the water. The real bubbles, they kick their feet. The monster have fun, but Bonk does not. After swimming lesson, Jip sits by Bonk. Are you afraid of the water, Bonk? She asks. Bonk not his arms and stomp his feet. I am a good swimmer, he says. Jip is quiet. Okay, I am not a good swimmer, says Bonk. I know how to swim a little bit, says Bonk. Jip is still quiet. Bonk hangs his head. I don't know how to swim at all, Bonk says Bonk. Jip pats Bonk's back. She rubs his head and we can all learn together, she says. The next day, Bonk is the first monster ready. He has a life jacket, he has water wings, he has a dinosaur float. I went swimming last night, he said. The pool was closed, says Jupe. Where did you swim? In my bathtub, says Bonk.
Good job.
Please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel.